One of the advantages of the program here at the University of Illinois is that the courses are taught by the people who do the work. I'm a specialist in program evaluation and data-driven decision-making. The person teaching the course in economics of education teaches economics of education and does work in public policy. The person in assessment is a nationally and internationally known expert in assessment. It's the faculty who do the work that are doing the teaching. Plus, we are all involved in practice in one way or the other. I do an enormous amount of work in the field of public policy, and right now have a large project funded by Spencer that's looking at data-driven decision-making in public schools. All of our faculty are involved in research and teaching on the subject matters that they teach. This is not a course staffed by teaching assistants or adjunct faculty. Well, right now, I think one of the hottest topics is that data-driven decision-making, particularly on the education end of things, all right, is conceived as a kind of mechanical process where, you know, input data, make it, think about it, make a decision, ignoring the sort of practical realities that teachers, in this case, as well as managers in mental health services and so on, the practical realities that they face in dealing with data. One of the things we have to understand better is how dealing with data has to do not just with sort of cognitive capacities of individuals, how you think about data, how you reason about good evidence and argument and so on and so forth, but how those capacities are influenced by organizational realities, organizational routines, the kind of resources available in the organization for not only collecting data, but for using data. So this is a topic that would permeate a lot of the courses that we teach. I think one of the advantages of our program really is its transferability. I think that we often think that an online program prepares you for a specific skill in a specific sector. And I think in the case of evidence-based and data-driven decision-making, the skills that are necessary for that way of thinking and doing as a practitioner, and even as a policymaker, I do a lot of work at the federal level about how legislators and legislative committees work with data to make public policy. Even at that level, these are the skills that you need. So the real selling point, if you will, of what I think of our program is this kind of transferability of the set of skills and competencies that we hope to convey.